Welcome to Attack. In this video I will tell you that how you can set notifications edge lighting on your mobile phone. So let's get started. First of all, open settings and click on notifications. Here you can see notification pop-up style and then select edge lighting style. So you can see different styles. You can choose according to your interest. So check all the styles one by one and select your favorite style. You can also change the colors of light. Click on color and select a custom color for your edge lights. So after selecting color, click on done button. So in this way you can set notifications edge lights on your mobile phone. If you like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.